apples from the Normandy. Servings: 4. Recommended wine, Calvados or Cidre. Cooking time: 30 minutes. Difficulty level: easy. Ingredients: 2 green apples, 1 red apple, 0.63 cups Calvados. Puss pastry: flour, butter, a pinch of salt, water. Compote: 2 green apples, 2 tablespoons acacia honey, 1 glass water, 1 pinch of cinnamon. Preparation instructions. First of all, prepare the apple compote with honey and cinnamon. Cut 4 apple forms in the dough. Cut the green apples first in half, then into slices and lay them on a thin layer puff pastry. Place the whole on an oven plate and put it in the oven. When it is cooked, heat the Calvados and pour it over the tart, which has been previously decorated with a small scoop red apple. Then, flambe, and enjoy.